I'm Jessica. Welcome to my travel channel.
Welcome to my channel. In this video, I'll take you on a walking tour of the breathtaking Caneel Bay Beach in St. John, filmed in stunning 4 Kelvin at 60 FPS. Trust me, you won't want to miss this. As soon as I arrived at the beach, I was struck by its turquoise waters and golden sand.
If you want to see the hottest video cuts of my walks, subscribe to my Patreon, link below.
The crystal clear waters are perfect for swimming, snorkeling, and other water activities. The beach is surrounded by lush greenery and colorful flowers, which add to its beauty and charm. As I strolled along the beach, I couldn't help but feel a sense of tranquility and calmness. The gentle sound of the waves, the warm sun on my skin, and the refreshing breeze blowing through my hair all contributed to the serene atmosphere. There are plenty of activities to enjoy at Caneel Bay Beach, from lounging on the beach and soaking up the sun to kayaking and paddle boarding in the calm waters. I hope you enjoyed this walking tour of Caneel Bay Beach in St. John. Don't forget to click the like button if you enjoyed the video, and leave a comment below to let me know what you think. And if you haven't already, make sure to subscribe to my channel for more travel videos like this one.
Thanks for watching. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next one. Bye!